Hey Lake of the Ozarks, summer is right around the corner and it's time to start thinking about how you're going to spend yours. Ryan Schaffner here with the Jason Wood All-Pro team, and I am excited to show you this beautiful Cedar Heights condo. Come take a look. You will fall in love with this spacious floor plan featuring 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a big bonus area upstairs. It also is being sold turnkey, comes with a 12 by 32 foot slip, an 8,000 pound lift with remote, and as a bonus has a newer HVAC. From your condo, not only will you have amazing views of Lake of the Ozarks, but you'll also be able to see the beautiful Cedar Heights complex, which is a gated community featuring 3 pools and is close to golf, restaurants, and shopping. Summer will be here before we know it. If you are interested in more about this condo or a private showing, give us a call at 800-836-2005 and we'll set everything up for you. Thank you and have a great day.